year ni 2018 alang litum la aron ka selam je aphan drafting committee alang litum silam le paragraph 2 sa paragraph 7 pen aron silam jipu halada ke do bang a chairman bang Sri Horen Singh be honorable MAC ala so non ke MP ta man et lo non ta ke dam thula drafter bangge lage Sri Elwin Teron OSD MOS Ministry of MOS ke pilolo Minister of State don pilone Minister of State OSD MOS ke AAC polote kopilo MOS ke binongge Minister of State puji sta ke AAC lo Minister of State ke ave Lapen member secretary ke deputy secretary in charge legislative department ke AAC lapen ke members do ulang Dr. Mansing Rong PMLA hala bang sohot Sri Dharam Singh Teron ex chairman ke AAC lapen Dr. Numol Momin MLA hala sohot non ke deputy speaker la lapen Srimoti Joyasri Daulagopo IAS retired alang like retired to add la aprang a principal secretary lapen Sri J.I Thang associate professor a head of department political science Dipu Government College lapen Sri Bernard Rongpar associate professor political science Dipu Government College lapen Sri Dhoneswar Ingti retired joint secretary ke AAC non ke alang lige Padma Sri take long to atla lapen Sri Rup Singh Tiso retired joint secretary ke AAC lapen Sri Mindarong P advocate Guwahati High Court lapen ke Sri Dar Singh Ronghang lage honorable MAC halabang so non ke MLA le alang litum hello a member tumla alang litum claim credit lo amasi lake claim un e pura rat atum phan kapik klang ya phan alang litum arboretum along bang akithepia seminar hang le so neli tum HSDC pen claim rapet amasi HSDC tum nang pulo dun nang ni HSDC kalilo ASDC atum men claim rapet ama ASDC tum men ching wala itum dun de nak pa man neli ta dun de hala so acha halo bangsu seminar hota ki koi hetu